Okay, tell us the next one.
This one.
What is that?
Hey.
What is that one?
This one is purple.
What is it called?
Washington. This is yellow.
Okay, what's the next one?
And this one. No.
What is that?
It's green. It's a yard green.
York green.
Okay, what's the next one?
It's purple.
What is it called?
Picture's purple.
Okay. What's that one?
Wyoming. Now click it. Take a picture of it.
Oh, okay.
Click it.